Airports can put strain on any relationship, but can we really blame the airport? On December 8th, 2025, the Tampa Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
We got.
We're fine. We're fine.
Let me talk.
We're fine.
Ma'am.
No, I don't want to.
We got
fine.
multiple calls. I just need to talk to you real quick.
No, we're fine. We have. I have that. And
Don't make it, man. Don't make it worse. We already got multiple calls.
make what worse? Am I in trouble?
You're not in trouble. I need to know. I need to find out what.
Okay, so we just had an argument. Okay.
Which is fine. People argue.
That's it. Okay, so can we just go to our gate and sit down?
Sir.
We just had.
106.
We have nothing to hide. We have nothing to
I
hide.
just really want you to talk to one of
We
the
have nothing to hide.
witnesses. They keep saying that nothing happened.
No.
The male
No,
and
we just
female, they
had
keep
an
saying that
argument.
nothing
We
happened.
just had an argument. That's it. That's it.
Which is fine. People argue. I just need to find out what happened because we had multiple people.
Okay, I know you had multiple people. We just had multiple people.
Do you have your ID with you, man? Do you have your ID with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
No, sir, everything is fine. We just had an
And
argument.
I'm glad that you're in compliance. She's the one who's not in compliance. Thank you.
I'm not trying to be not in compliance. It's just that we had an argument.
Oh,
Which
I'm
is fine.
sorry.
That's fine. I got
I
it.
did not mean to throw that. I did not.
I know.
I'm sorry.
And do you have your ID with you?
You got nothing to hide. You got nothing to hide.
We just had an argument.
My location gonna be by Ulele
That's all.
Safon.
We got nothing to hide. Come on. We got nothing to hide. Seriously. Come on.
Okay, so what happened was he didn't come back to the table from the restaurant.
Let me talk to you real quick, and then I'll talk to you.
Okay, sir. He did not come back to the table. I had no idea where he was. I got upset. And I am upset. And he said he fell asleep at
So you
a
got
different table.
so you got like into a panic mode because you were
Because I'm by myself and I don't travel
okay.
well by myself
Okay.
at all. I don't travel a lot.
Okay. And that happened. That's why I'm trying to find out what happened.
Okay, well, this is what happened. And can we please just, like, fix it and go on our way?
That's what we're doing.
Okay. Let me talk to you on that side,
Sir.
and then just wait for me. I'll be with you. Okay. And it's fine. People get nervous when people travel. People get upset.
I am upset. I am
Are you
nervous.
under medication? Do you take medication for when you and don't take this the wrong way. That maybe you take Xanax. You take
No,
because
I
people
don't.
get nervous.
I don't.
Okay.
Okay, and all I take a beta blocker for blood pressure.
Okay.
That's it.
Just give me a couple of minutes.
But
At what time is your flight?
it's soon.
120.
Okay. You know that the longer you keep postponing this, the longer you may not be able to fly. So I need to
Sir.
talk to him real quick. You keep distracting me. Let me talk to
Sir,
him and then just give me a
okay,
couple of
but-
minutes.
but
Let me
I'm
talk to you on that
not-
side.
I didn't do
Okay.
anything wrong.
I'm sorry.
Stay on that side, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please stay over there.
Okay, let me talk to you real quick. So, what happened? Just like I told. Is she your
Quite
wife?
literally.
Is she your wife? Wife, girlfriend,
She's
friend?
my girlfriend.
Okay. So
I went to go to the bathroom, and I sat down.
Okay. Okay.
Because I've been here since freaking 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
We've been drinking.
Okay.
I sat down, fell asleep.
Okay.
She got panicked, and then freaked out. And then when I finally
Woke up.
woke up, came to her, she's like, "Where you been? You've been cheating on me, blah, blah." I'm like, whoa, I'm in the freaking airport.
Okay.
I've not been cheating on you. So it got a little bit heated.
Okay.
And I'm like, "Babe, please, trust me, back the fuck off. And here we are.
Hold on.
And here we are.
106. But then let me ask you something directly. So nobody was punching nobody, nothing
No,
whatsoever.
no.
But then she was just
No,
Okay.
no.
okay. So what's it more that maybe when you guys were walking, you guys were just trying to hold on to each other, but it was not intention to hit nobody.
That was holding each other up.
He was just holding. Okay, he was just
Yeah.
holding, but not pushing or shoving.
No.
Okay. Just give me
not
a couple
at
of
all.
minutes.
No, just holding each other up, literally. Sir,
Just
we've
stay-
been drinking since 7 o'clock.
Okay, stay here. Stay. Don't go there. Okay, just give me a
Stay
couple of
right
minutes. Okay. So are you guys going on vacation, or this is where you guys live?
We're leaving here, going back to Denver.
So that's where you guys live.
Yeah, we live in Denver.
You guys okay?
Yeah. She just moved to Denver, and I
So
live in Denver.
so this is the current location.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And that's your flight info.
Yeah. What's APD? Airport police?
So what's the flight number?
We
Oh,
missed
that's the
our
flight. Okay.
we missed our first flight, so now we're on standby.
So where are you guys flying? Oh, Denver. I see it.
Yeah.
Okay. 106.
Sir, I'm Officer Dastas. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm great. Do me a favor.
Yeah. There you
Put your
go.
hands behind your back.
Why?
Why? Just hit your girl.
I didn't
Why?
hit
For
her.
whatever she is.
I did not
So
hit
you're under
her.
arrest for battery.
I did not hit her.
Okay.
God, when you see that said that you bang, you hit her with the phone.
I did not.
Did not hit me. Nine.
I did not. What are you doing?
Nine.
I did not hit her. Ask her.
So do you have this on camera, or do you have the witness info?
I got all three witnesses.
I did not hit her.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Seriously.
So
Seriously, you need to walk.
Yeah.
okay, hold on. Let me. Those corporals info. Who's gonna be having this? What is it? Okay.
Don't make it.
Stay where you at. Stay where you at. Stay where you at. Okay.
Can I see boarding pass real quick so I can deny his ass boarding? I got the last one. Okay. Fitzpatrick.
There's multiple witnesses over here.
I got three witnesses.
You got them over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seriously. Let's look at the camera. I did not hit her. Ever. I walked with you. You don't need to guide.
Martinez should be the trick court.
But seriously, I did not hit her.
Okay. So I'm gonna go this way to my.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.